Hello! In this video we are going to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this Motorola Moto E40 smartphone. First of all, launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category. Choose any of the SIM cards you have installed or inserted, it doesn't really matter whatsoever. And as you can see in here, you can choose the SIM card that will be preferred for calls. So the SIM card number 1, the SIM card number 2, or ask every time, as well as the SMS messages, preferences. And if you would like to use this particular SIM card for the mobile data, simply turn on the mobile data toggle, just like so. And it will decide that we would like to use the SIM card number 2 for that. As you can see, once we get back to the Virgin Mobile 1, this toggle is off here automatically. So those options are obviously mutually exclusive. Alright, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.